Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Dell account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type Dell.com and press enter. On the Dell homepage, look for the sign in option at the top of the page. Click sign in to open the login menu. Select the option that says My Account or Dell Account, depending on your region. Wait for the login page to fully load before entering your details. Click on the email or username field to activate it. Type the email address you used when creating your Dell account. Double-check your email for spelling mistakes, missing dots, or extra spaces. Click on the password field to activate it. Type your Dell account password carefully with correct uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you can check the Remember Me option to stay signed in. If you are on a public or shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for security. Click the Sign In or Login button to submit your information. If a security check appears, complete the CAPTCHA by following the on-screen instructions. If Dell asks for verification, choose to receive a code by email or phone if available. Enter the verification code exactly as received and continue. After signing in, wait while your account dashboard opens. Confirm you are logged in by looking for your name, profile icon, or account menu. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the password reset instructions Dell sends you. Create a new strong password and return to the login page to sign in again. If you forgot which email you used, check your old Dell purchase emails for the account address. If you see an error message, recheck your email and password and try again slowly. Make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard layout is correct before retyping the password. Try opening the login page in a private or incognito window if the page is not working correctly. Clear your browser cache and cookies or switch to another browser if sign-in keeps failing. If the issue continues, contact Dell support through the Support or Contact Us link on the website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.